Good morning, Clear Lake Campground. Today is March 26, 2022, and we're at the Girl Camper Doggy Daze in Clear Lake, California. All these campers are girl campers. Let's see a couple of RV tours. Welcome to the first camp out with your new camper.
That little camper is adorable.
Isn't that cute? Yeah. This is my friend Margie, and this is her, new to her little R-Pod. So Margie, tell me about your trailer.
Okay, this is a 2019 R-Pod 189 Hood River Edition. Hood River Edition just means that it was built in Oregon and that it has a higher ground clearance than the ones built like in Indiana.
Great, great. And you just got it recently.
I just got it, and then I broke my leg, and so this is my first official trip in it, and my second night in it was last night.
Very good.
And I slept like a rock.
Excellent,
yes.
Excellent. Okay, can we go inside, please?
Let's go in.
All right, we're inside of Margie's trailer. Where are you sitting?
So I'm sitting in the bedroom area, and I have like a regular outlet, 110 outlet here when you're plugged into shore power. And we have windows on both sides that open, and this is what they call a short queen. And it's very comfortable. I did replace the mattress because the mattresses they come with
aren't good.
Are not good.
And you even have a little privacy curtain there.
Yeah, I made the curtain.
Very cool.
And stuff. That's if I have company stay. And
right.
Then we have 3 drawers here, which are pretty decent.
Okay.
And then this is just like if you want to hang something. It's not a ton of room, but I hang my coat in there.
There you go.
Yeah. And
okay.
Then, this is over the door just for extra catch-all stuff.
Right.
Very proud of my little nightlight I found.
Very cool. Very
cute.
cool.
So this is the bathroom, and it's what they call a dry bath, which means that your shower is separate from your sink and your toilet, which is nice. Has a little bit of storage in it. It's enough for me, and then when I'm not using the shower, so I threw stuff in the shower.
Of course, shower storage too.
Okay. And this is my, from here back to where Lonnie is filming, is the little slide area, my kitchen area, and my little drawers and place to hang clothes. And this is the refrigerator and a little freezer. It actually is plenty big for me. I stuffed it, and works fine. It's a 3-way fridge, which is nice if you're shopping. If you can find a 3-way fridge, that means it will run on 12 volt. 110 shore power or propane too.
Mm-hmm.
This is a convection microwave oven, so you can bake in it and microwave.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is a little, just a little 2-burner.
I see.
Stove.
Nice.
Yeah, and pantry stuff up here, which is nowhere near full. And then a little sink, which is just handy, which I've got recycle in my sink.
Okay. And you've got some drawers.
I've got some drawers and storage under here.
Very good. Okay. And this is where the slide starts.
Yeah, right here.
Right.
All the way over to
So
here.
if you couldn't pull out your slide, could you get to your bed?
I would have to squeeze, yes.
Could you get to the bathroom?
Could not go to the bathroom, or you can open the fridge.
Okay.
But you could not use the bathroom.
Okay.
It would be very... This is what they call a Jackknife Sofa, and it's comfortable to sit on and watch TV or whatever, relax. It is covered with this fitted twin sheet because I have a 2-inch memory foam, because when these are extended out to sleep in, the back is 2 inches higher, so it's an uneven surface. So I just put the 2-inch memory foam underneath, and the twin size sheet helps hold it on when I'm using it as a bed.
Is there storage under there?
There's storage under there, yeah.
But you get to it from outside or
Do
inside?
both.
Oh, good.
You can do both.
Okay.
I get to it from the outside right now because this is a little hard to lift because we have the pad
Right.
on here. So it's a tight fit.
And what's that above you?
Oh, that's a shelf that we added, and I need to buy a few more bins. That's just like, there's maybe more than me going, and you can store clothes, or you wouldn't want to put very heavy stuff because this is just a tension rod. So it's just for like maybe towels and clothes.
Okay.
Stuff you wouldn't want to
Put your backpack up there or
You wouldn't
something?
want to put your canned goods up
No,
there. Or
no,
anything
you wouldn't
like
want to do that.
So.
Very good. Okay.
And then the entertainment center is right over here.
Now.
Then we have a TV and the controls and the slide out controls and
A little net area.
converter and fuses are down there. Yeah.
That's right. You do have solar on the
Yeah, I do have solar.
on the rig.
And
So how many watts of solar do you have on the roof?
it's not on the roof. I have a suitcase.
Oh, okay.
It's
So
a-
portable.
Yeah, it's a ZAMP system with 200
Okay. Good.
watts. Yeah.
All
Haven't
right.
had to use that yet because we're hooked up to.
So I know this is your first trip and you've only had a couple of nights in it, but what do you think is your favorite thing right now?
My favorite thing, having a bathroom.
Okay.
It's
Because you've
really
camped.
nice in the middle of the night when you don't have to go run across or run down the road and use the bathroom or find an outhouse. So that's really a positive thing.
Is
for
this
me.
your first rig with a bathroom?
It's my first rig in about 30 years with a bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah, I had a pop-up prior to this.
Okay.
It had a toilet, but I never wanted to use it. It's too small. It wasn't private at
Right.
all.
Right.
So,
So right now, what is your least favorite thing?
my least favorite thing?
Of course, you're still learning
My
about
least
it.
favorite thing is I need a shelf back by the bed.
Okay.
I need a shelf right next to the bed where I sleep. So,
Okay. I'm sure you can add that.
yeah,
Great.
I will add that.
Okay.
So, right now, I don't have any least favorites. It would be nice if the kitchen had more counter space.
Well, we all wish
Whatever, I
that.
can cook outside.
Yeah, we all wish that. So.
Yeah, I can cook outside.
Well, thank you so much, Margie, for letting me do the tour of your little R-Pod. It's very cute. And I know we're going to be traveling together and
We
camping
are, for
together.
sure.
Yes. Here comes Margie. Finished with her maiden voyage. Pulling out. Stay careful. Stay crafty. And this is Jean, a new friend that I met at DOGGIE DAZE. And this is her little big dog, Kira, and her two little Sheltie collies, and their names are
Panda and Scout.
Panda and Scout. And this is her rig. Tell us about the rig, Jean.
It's a StarCraft AR1, and they only made this model for about 3 years. This is a 2016 year, and the thing I love about it is I've got a nice little trailer inside, but I love tent camping, and I can put the tent out the back, and so I get to sleep in my tent, but I have all the room and all the luxury of a trailer. And if it's too hot or too cold to have the tent out, I can just leave that closed and I can make the bed inside. So
Very good. Because you have air conditioning and heating in the trailer.
Air, hot water, microwave, everything.
Wonderful.
Just love it.
And you have a really nice little awning here.
And it comes out further, of course. And it's electric. So it's a very simple little trailer.
Very nice. How big is it?
I think it's 15 foot, the box.
The box is 15 feet.
Yeah.
Excellent. Can we go inside?
First, yeah.
Okay, and I walk in, and then, oh, there's your bedroom, right in there. There's your bed. That's okay.
I should have it all unzipped for you so you can see the view out the back.
That's okay. That's okay. And then there's nice size here. Nice big area for couch. This whole area. She's all right. And the breakfast nook. Yeah. Nice cabinets. A little stereo system. Very nice. And then if you were to make the bed up, would you make up the breakfast nook area?
Yes, the table goes flat and then you make a bed. In fact, I had it made up as a bed because I thought it would be too cold to camp in the tent this weekend, but it was lovely.
Yeah.
And so I put it back into a table.
Would this sofa area also make into a bed?
You can sleep on it as
Oh,
a bed.
it's like a twin.
It doesn't change anything.
And is there storage under everything?
There's storage under here. There's storage under there, and it's accessed either from inside or from the outside.
Okay.
Like a little basement. And then under the other bench is your hot water and all the other stuff. So
Do you have solar?
I added solar.
You added solar. So is your inverter under there? Is there hot water?
It's under, yeah. I
It's
think
under there. Here. Okay. And then,
There's a lot of cupboard space. Or a
Yeah.
lot of counter space, which
oh yeah,
is hard.
counter space.
in
Yeah,
a
I have
trailer
no
this size.
counter space.
Yeah, and that's so important. And then
your potty room. Very nice.
now this,
Did you add that cabinet?
I just added the cabinet.
Wow.
I had no storage in the bathroom at all, which was horrible. And I added that, and now I've got a ton of storage.
Nice skylight in the shower and a little tub. You could rinse off your dogs.
You could.
Unless you have an outdoor shower. Anyway, so, and then your fridge is down here below the cabinet.
Yep.
I have that same little wastebasket.
There's no oven, but I have an Omnia,
Okay,
so I can bake if I choose.
cool. And now is that one that sits on top of the stove?
Yes.
Okay, I've seen those.
Yeah, awesome.
Neat. Microwave. Fabulous. Well, thank you, Jean, for allowing me to interview you and look at your new little camper. It's very cute. What's your favorite thing about it?
Being able to sleep outside in the tent part.
Great. And what's your least favorite? Haven't found a least favorite. That's wonderful. Well, thank you again, Jean, and stay crafty when you're camping.
I will.
All right. Thanks a lot.
My next trip.
Yes. And here's Jean. Jean is headed back home. Bye, Jean. See you next time. Thanks for the interview. Drive careful going home. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and stay crafty.